Hey, what is up YouTube, Ginno here today with my girls, Jamie and Yerin, of course, of 15 and Jimin Park. I should probably say that. I don't know, she prefers Jamie, doesn't she? Anyway, but today we're going to be checking out actually a Patreon suggestion, Rain and Cry, the live video. I'm assuming this is just going to be sort of the two of them sitting there performing the music to us, which is going to be lovely. So thank you very much to the person who suggested this on Patreon. Link is in the description down below to my Patreon if you want to support me there. So many options. Thank you very much. Anyway, it's quite a short video. It's only about 3.5 minutes, but yeah, let's get into this. I hope you guys enjoy. I can tell I'm going to enjoy this. I tend to these sort of videos. Allons-y. By the way, I have a drink, homemade lemonade, because I'm fancy as hell. Not a very fashionable cup though. I think I might have listened to this song before actually. Just recognise that a little bit. I love Yerin's voice. Don't hear enough from her. Love me some Ginno Park. Such a glorious voice. That the range, the power, so impressive.
자려고 누워도 보고 다른 생각해도 거짓말처럼 내 눈엔 너만 보여.
The combination of their two voices is very nice because they're not too similar. You can distinctly tell which one is which, but they complement each other and flow really nicely. I like the percussion-based instrumental as well. It's really subtle and soft. Very nice. How do they, get that power just sitting down like that? The power and the range just sitting there. Just sitting there. How is that possible? So calming. Will 15 and be coming out with anything this year? I hope so. Obviously Jimin Park's solo album came out last year. 19 to 20. Ooh, what an album. It's so sweet, it's so soft, I love it. Thank you very much for suggesting that. That was very sweet and I loved it. So enjoyable. I think I've listened to Rain and Cry, I don't know, maybe once or twice before, but I've never seen it like that video in particular. But it was so soft, so sweet. I love the instrumental. It's very subtle and calming, and yeah, just them sitting there shows how talented they are. They're just sitting there, just whipping out these incredible vocals. I love it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and a comment. Suggest videos you want to watch in the future. This is going to be Ginno signing out. See you guys. Hey, oh my god, thank you very much for watching that video. If you want to follow me on any of my platforms, then all the links are in the description. Down below there's Twitter, there's my 2 Instagrams, there's a bunch of other stuff. There's also my merch, which is now out, so go check that out, that'd be greatly appreciated. Or you can go watch the video that's there and subscribe to my other channel. Cool, thank you for watching. It's a great outro.